Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video, I will talk about Decentraland price prediction and Decentraland news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Decentraland in 2022. Decentraland, MANA, defines itself as a virtual reality platform based on the Ethereum blockchain that allows users to create, serve and monetize content and applications. In this virtual reality, users buy land that they can later navigate, build on, and monetize. Decentraland was launched following a $24 million initial coin offering, ICO, that took place in 2017. Virtual World launched its closed beta in 2019 and opened to the public in February 2020. Since then, users have created a wide range of experiences on their land sites, including interactive games, extensive 3D scenes, and many other interactive experiences. Decentraland was created by Ariel Milik and Esteban Ordano, who have retired from their core roles on the project, but are still working with Decentraland as advisors. But Bitcoin is showing signs of decoupling from this correlation in the short-term market. Satirio, an analyst at the digital asset broker Global Block, said in email comments. He added that the top cryptocurrency is likely being fueled by the narrative of being a permissionless and censorship-resistant way of transferring value, and said it is fascinating that it has even outperformed the traditional safe haven gold. A similar sentiment was also shared by Mikkel Morch, executive director and risk management at crypto hedge fund ARK36, who said a potential decoupling from risk assets is taking place, and that Bitcoin is gaining prominence as censorship-resistant money. But we, therefore, seeing the beginnings of a wider acceptance of Bitcoin as a hedge not only for investors, but also for ordinary citizens, Morch said, before adding. We will know for sure on the other side of this crisis, but we can already say that we're currently witnessing historical power shifts taking place in real time, and crypto is at the very center of the raging storm. The same view was also echoed by the Bitfinex trading team, which said in a comment shared with cryptonews.com that Bitcoin's unique properties are now finally getting more attention, heading lower, thus serving as a tailwind to the metaverse token. Adding credence to this move is the recent uptick in whale transactions for Engine Coin. These transactions are worth $100,000 or more, and are often footprints of high-net-worth investors. Tracking these transfers help market participants get a grasp of what these institutional investors could be on. Essentially, this on-chain index serves as a proxy for such investors. A spike in this metric could be seen as bullish if it occurs at the bottom of the bear run, and bearish at the top of a bull run. Considering how ENG has lost 75% of its value, the recent increase in transactions worth $100,000 or more from 6 to 40 reveals an optimistic outlook for Engine Coin. While things are looking up for ENG, market participants need to exercise caution as a pullback may be around the corner. Moreover, the uncertainty around short BTC positions being liquidated in the market. According to data from CoinGlass, liquidations reached a peak during the 12-hour period from noon to midnight on Monday, when United States $119 meters in BTC short positions were liquidated, as the price surged well above the United States $40,000 level. According to the crypto research and investment firm CoinShares, digital asset investment products saw inflows of United States $36 meters last week, despite the tensions in Ukraine, which turned into a full-scale war on Thursday. Out of this total, United States $17 meters were added to Bitcoin investment products, marking its fifth consecutive week of inflows, the firm wrote. It's worth noting that the inflows were smaller than a week ago, when United States $109 meters flowed into digital asset investment products in total, and United States $89 meters of those went to Bitcoin-backed products. Commenting on Bitcoin's current setup from a technical analysis standpoint, Hong Kong-based crypto financial services firm Babel Finance said in its latest weekly report that the United States $40,000 mark will be a watershed for Bitcoin, and that it could indicate further bullishness in the near term. In the short term, United States $40,000 will become a watershed. That is to say, more traders may be mobilized if the price can return to above United States $40,000, the firm said in its report, which was published just before BTC broke through the key level. Meanwhile, others focused on how the latest gains for Bitcoin and the rest of the crypto market have come at a time when stocks have seen mixed performance, which they said could point to a decoupling of the two asset classes. We have seen crypto be correlated closely to the US stock market for months, a 16% increase from its 7-day low of $2.27. And second news today, Banker to the moon, is there more to his 3,000% social volume spike? The social volume of an altcoin indicates the retail hype around it. A massive spike after an exponential run can help in identifying tops, and a spike after an extended crash can be used to determine bottoms, especially when combined with other on-chain metrics or indicators. To go all in or not. For Banker, the social volume spiked by 3,000% over the last 24 hours, indicating massive interest among investors at its press time price level, $2.3. Other on-chain metrics also revealed that Bhutan Gultrums could be on the edge of a massive breakout. From December 2021, the 30-day social volume average for Bhutan Gultrums hovered mostly below 1. Alas, on 8 March, this volume spiked to 127, bringing the 30-day average to 6.63. This sudden spike could be a precursor to a massive surge in market value of Banker. Banker's price has dropped by roughly 80% in the last year from an all-time high of $9.369. While bearish as it may sound, this price action is the perfect time to accumulate according to two on-chain indicators. What more is there to say? The 365-day market value to realized value (MVRV) model has been in the negative region for 9 months and is currently hovering around 57.51%. Since this indicator is used to assess the average profit loss of investors who purchased Bhutan Gultrums tokens over the past year, a negative value is a sign that the holders are underwater. How much will Decentraland cost in 2025, or how much will Decentraland cost in 10 years? Guessing price fluctuations and predicting future prices is a hell of a task. Decentraland Price Prediction 2022. It appears that by 2022, Decentraland, MANA, prices will hit a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2022, we can expect the average rate to be $3.70. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Decentraland's maximum price could be up to $4.21 in 2022. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. Decentraland Course Forecast 2023. MANA has great potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Decentraland, the price could rise much higher. By 2023, it may reach a maximum value of $6.18. MANA is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2023 could end with an average price of $5.37, a minimum price of $5.19, and a maximum price of $6.18. Decentraland Course Prediction 2024. In 2024, with wider adoption and partnerships between other important blockchain networks, Decentraland price will skyrocket. The maximum trading price could reach $9.01 in 2024. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $8.04 with a maximum price of $9.01 for 2024. Price MANA Forecast 2025. For a long-term forecast of the Decentraland price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There's a possibility that the average price of MANA will rise to around $11.46 by 2025 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2025, the year could end with a maximum price of $13.49 with a minimum price level $11.13. MANA Rate Prediction 2026. MANA will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Decentraland rate will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2026, the Decentraland rate will be almost $16.85. The maximum bet we can get is $20.02. Decentraland average price prediction for the end of 2026 could be around $17.30. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. MANA Price Prediction 2027. A flawless approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this prediction platform, Decentraland will remain at its current level for a very long time. By 2027, MANA is expected to peak at $29.37. The minimum bid could rise to $24.21 if the market turns bullish.